For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
In the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, fast food restaurant Kentucky Fried Chicken has suspended its slogan as it does not fit with present situation. KFC's slogan goes by "It's finger licking good," and now KFC has decided to suspend the slogan temporarily as it does not quite fit with the present situation. KFC has been using the slogan since 64 years since its inception. According to the reports, more than 150 people have complained to the Advertising Standards Authority about KFC's advertisement. Health officials have been asking everyone to stop touching their faces to stop the spread of COVID-19. The KFC has launched its new advertising campaign with a change of focus. KFC's Global Chief Marketing Officer has said that their iconic slogan does not fit during COVID-19 situation. We find ourselves in a unique situation, having an iconic slogan that does not quite fit in the current environment. KFC has also clarified that there would not be any change in the menu and slogan would return when the time is right. In its statement, KFC said that just slogan is being paused, but food craved by so many people around the world isn't changing a bit. While we are pausing the use of finger licking good, rest assured the food craved by so many people around the world isn't changing one bit. The menu isn't changing and the slogan will return when the time is right. The fast food chain has acknowledged that it will need to move on, at least temporarily, from the tagline it has used on and off for more than 6 decades. In a recent advertisement, it can be seen that finger-licking part of the slogan has been blurred out on food boxes and billboards. KFC is the world's second largest restaurant chain after McDonald's, with 22,621 locations across the world in 150 countries as of December 2019. KFC had also temporarily shut down its outlets in March across the world after a rise in COVID-19 cases. With safety measures in place, KFC outlets have now opened at most places. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected over 180 countries across the world. Over 23.57 million people have been affected by the novel coronavirus globally.